if you don't know me, my name is Areli and today I'm gonna show you how to transform your summer clothes into the fall with very easy and simple steps that you are gonna love. So I've already done some videos with this same idea. If you haven't seen them, I'm gonna link them down below so you can check them and get more inspiration on how to transform your outfits. So without further ado, let's see how you can transform your clothes from summer to fall. summer to the fall without spending lots of money, without having to change your whole entire closet. You can use the things that you already have, just adding some accessories here and there. I really hope this video was useful and that you liked it. If you did, please hit the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe as well so you don't miss any of the future videos of this season, because I have a lot of videos planned and they are coming. So subscribe so you don't miss anything, and also help me by sharing this video with your loved ones so more people can join the community. Thank you very much for your love and support. As always, you know, it was a pleasure for me being here with you today, and I'll see you very, very soon.